Hi guys, welcome back to Fix Genie. If your Lenovo laptop Wi-Fi is not working, this is one of the most useful methods you can try. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now, type the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each command. First, type ipconfig/release. Next, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Now type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. Finally, type netsh int IP reset. Press Enter. Once all the commands are completed, type Exit. Then restart your Lenovo laptop. After restarting, connect to your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed. I hope this method helps you fix your Lenovo laptop Wi-Fi problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.